In today's video, we are going to talk about Bybit Leverage Trading. A lot of us don't really understand what Bybit Leverage Trading is all about. In this video, I'm going to make sure I simplify everything about Bybit Leverage Trading and how to also manage your risk using Bybit Leverage Trading. In case you don't have an account with Bybit, go to my description below and click on the link to create an account. Bybit is an amazing exchange that gives you tons of features, which includes leverage trading. Bybit has a maximum leverage you can use for each of these assets. For example, if you're trying to trade BTC USDT, you can actually the maximum leverage you get is 100x. Let me first of all explain what Bybit leverage is all about before I go to my screen and show you how it looks like in real time. Now, Bybit leverage trading works like this. Leverage trading is just going to give you more leverage in the market. For example, instead of using $10 or using $100 to enter a particular trade, now entering a trade with just $100, you might get to earn maybe $2 from that particular trade. But making use of leverage, you might be able to make $10 from that particular trade with leverage. And also, using that same leverage, you might also lose huge money as you won't if you made use of a lesser leverage like 1x. 1x leverage means you're actually using your money. You're not getting any leverage from the market. So if you use 1x leverage in the market and you have $100 on your account, if you enter a BTC USDT trade, you are going to be using maybe your $100 to enter that trade. In case you still don't understand, let's head over to the screen so I can actually show you what I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see, currently I'm on my screen, and as you can see, in order for you to go ahead and trade leverage, you need to make use of the Bybit futures trading, which is really important, and it's a way for you to go ahead and make money from the market. Now, what you want to do is to go ahead and come to this trade section on Bybit, then you come to futures, and when you come to futures, you're going to notice you can actually make use of USDT, you can make use of USDC, and you can also use inverse if you want to make use of USD. So for me, I make use of USDT and I have USDT on my account. To deposit USDT into your account is pretty easy. You just have to make use of the P2P section or to make use of the debit card, depending on you. So if your country is not restricted from making use of crypto transactions, then you can go ahead and make use of the debit card. But if your country is restricted, then you want to stick with the P2P section. So I will come to the trade section, come to futures, and I'll click on BTC USDT so I can actually show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, coming to this section, there are a few things you also need to note when it comes to trading. So when it comes to trading, you need to also take note of the funding rate. The funding rate is the amount of the fee you're going to pay when you enter a particular trade. So as you can see, currently I'm making use of 50x leverage. Let's go ahead and start with 1x leverage. Now 1x leverage means you are just making use of, you're not leveraging, you're just making use of your original capital. So let's say, for example, I want to enter BTC with 100 USDT. I'm going to show you something. I'll just take this tool, then I'll put it right here. I just want to show you something. So I'll just say, for example, let's say we are aiming to take profits, because you always want to do 2 to 1 reward ratio. So I'll click on take profit /SL. Then for my take profit, I'll just put in the value there. Now, this value I'm actually putting is not the real. Now, I don't really know the movement of Bitcoin right now. I'm just placing a trade, so I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. So for example, let's say this is my take profit. Now, using 1x leverage, I'm expected to make just 2 USDT, which is really small. And I'm expected to lose just 1 USDT, as you can see here, which is really small for me to make. Now, imagine entering a trade with 100 USDT and you're only able to make 2 USDT, which is really small. Now, if you make your leverage 10x leverage, if you make your leverage 10x leverage and you're entering this trade with just $10, as you can see right here. You're entering a trade with just $10, and you're going to be making 2 USDT. So as you can see with leverage trading, it gives you more capital to be able to enter each position. So now instead of me making use of 10x, you can go even further. So if you make use of 50x, you can see it will cost me just $2 to enter this position, or 2 USDT to enter this position. And with just $2, I'll be able to make 2 USDT in return, which is I'm risking $2 for this trade and I'm getting $2 in return. So let's go ahead and click on 10x back. And as you can see, for this cost is 10 USDT. So instead of 10 USDT, I can increase this to 1,000. Now, increasing my value to 1,000, might have increased my value to 1,000. Now, Bybit has borrowed me 90% of what I'm going to be using to enter this trade, which means I'll be making more money and I'll also be losing more money. Now, if you take a look at this, 1,000, the cost for this will be 100 USDT, which is the 100 USDT I would have made use of if I was entering this trade with just 100 USDT and I was using 1x leverage. So imagine I was using 1x leverage, I would have made 2 USDT, but if I was making use of 10x leverage, I would risk same 100 USDT, but I'll be making 20 USDT in return, which sounds cool and also makes more sense compared to making use of 100 USDT and just getting 2 USDT in return. I'm sure you understand what leverage is all about now, looking at it in real time. Now you can see the expected loss with 10 USDT. Now, if I was using just 1x leverage and I was using 100 USDT for that trade, I'll be risking only one USDT. But now that I'm actually entering this trade with 10x leverage, I'll be risking 10 USDT for this trade. You can see that you're actually going to be risking more to make more money. And if the trade actually goes in your direction and goes to your take profits, or gets maybe close to your take profits, you actually be making 20 USDT. I'm sure you understand leverage trading right now. So you can even go more further by saying you go to 50 USDT, 50x leverage, and you can see instead of now with 50x leverage, you can risk 21. With 50x leverage, you can risk $21. You can risk 21 USDT and also make 20 USDT. But you can also go ahead and increase the value again by adding one more. Let's go by saying 5,000. So 5,000 USDT here would be 100 USDT for this trade, and you'll be making 100 USDT in return, but you'll be risking 50 USDT, as you can see right here. So I'm sure you understand what leverage trading is all about. Leverage trading means you are going to be losing more money to make more money. Now, most of the time, it's always advisable for you to always make sure you manage your risk. Now, when it comes to risk management, now let me explain risk management real quick. So risk management is, for example, on this particular, let's say for example, I'm expecting this trade to come to this green section, or to let's say I'm expecting the trade to come to this section. So if this trade should come here and hit this place, I'm going to be making 100 USDT. But if this trade comes down here and hits here, I'm going to be losing 51 USDT. I'm sure you can see that real quick. So and one thing when it comes to trading you need to note is, when you are entering a trade, you need to make sure your risk to reward ratio is at least 2, meaning that you are actually risking 1 to get 2. You are risking 1 to get 2, not risking 1 to get 1. Risking 1 to get 1 is not really advisable. You'd have seen I'd have been up by a little, maybe I'd have been up by 2% or something. Now, there's something you also need to note about using higher leverage. Now, making use of high leverage, you need to also take note of the funding rate. Like I said, the funding rate is going to affect if you're going to be paying more fee when you're entering this trade, or you're going to be paying less fee when you're entering this trade. So now you can see currently the funding rate is plus, which is 0.01, which means if it goes up, and currently I'm expecting this trade to go up, which means I'm going to be paying Bybit 0.01% of the total profit I make. And if I make any loss, I'm going to be paying 0.01%. But if I said this trade is going to go down and the trade goes down and the funding fee is plus right now, Bybit is going to be paying me 0.01% for entering this trade. So that's just how it is. So before you go ahead and say, oh, let me go ahead and enter a trade so Bybit can actually pay me money, don't do that. You need to also make sure you understand the direction of the particular currency and where the market is heading. Understanding where the market is heading is going to help you, help you stand out with trading. So with that said, I hope you found the video really helpful, and if you did, kindly subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.